Good morning, students. Now today we will see some examples related to the concept of relation which I explained to you yesterday. So I just want to take first example number 7. Question says let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and define a relation R from A set to A set by R equal to xy such that y is equal to x plus 1. Question asks first show the relation by arrow diagram and second write the domain, codomain and range of the relation. So question is not hard, but still to go through this question. Question says A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the relation A R from A to A meaning same set to same set it defines. And relation is given by y is equal to x plus 1. So that is very interesting. Very interesting. First, I want to go through the relation by arrow diagram and domain, codomain, range, whatever it is told. But I request you that this is the set builder form of the relation. You first find its roster form. That is very important. Find its roster form. Then you can find all the questions easily. How it is so? It's given that r equal to xy such that y equal to x plus 1. So I have an idea to tell you. Go through, this is set builder form. What is a roster form? In ordered pair, all element will come in ordered pair. Like what? X plus 1. So all the element x always in this first set and y is in the second set. Keep in mind always. I'm just making a rough picture here. It is A. It is A. And it is a relation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because it is written here, the relation is defined from set A to set A. Meaning this is set A, this is also set A. These elements called small x and these elements called small y. And it is written y is equal to x plus 1. So if you put x equal to 1, so answer 1 plus 1, 2. Meaning y will be 2. Meaning first element will be x equal to 1, then y will be 2. Very simple. When you have got the image, together with this, I tell you the arrow diagram also. And see the picture also. Will be useful to you. Look at the picture. This is actually, again I am making A. This is any relation R defined from A to A. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what says? If you put x equal to 1, you will get y equal to 2. Meaning 1 is related to 2. In the second meaning, I would speak that if you don't want to write all, you can omit at all. Only write sufficient to write this. The image of 1 is 2. Look at very important sentence I'm using it. The image of 1 is 2. And 2 is a pre-image of 1. 1 is an image of 2. And 2 is a pre-image of 1. If you put x is equal to 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So second element will be 2, 3. So the image of 2 will be 3. Same, if you put x is equal to 3, 3 and 4, definitely 3 will have an image 4. If you x equal to 4, then it will be 5, 4 plus 1. If you choose 5, the image of 5 will be 6. But you cannot take 6 because if you will take 6, it will be 7. But 7 is not here. So very important restriction here. Even though 6 is being here, it is alone, left alone. No image of a 6 in the second set, because second set not containing the 7, sorry. So the image of 6 is being 6 plus 1 7, but 7 is not here, so I cannot take the element, this element here. Only particularly are equal to what you can watch here. This is none else, it is a roster form of this relation. This is set builder form and this is a roster form. One should know again that I didn't take here 6, because if I take a 6, the image of 6 will be 7. So 7 must be here, but 7 is not here, so I cannot take 6 here. What you can watch here, this is none else, this is the answer of the first question. Show the relation by arrow diagram, and this is the answer. So this is the first question you have done. Now question second is asking here, what is domain, codomain and range? All are very easy question. And what is a domain? You know that I taught you. After making the relation in roster form or after making the arrow diagram, one can easily predict the domain. Domain is only the first element of the relation. Keep the language in mind. First element of the relation. So this is your relation now. So first elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is domain of the relation. 6 will not come because 6 is not having its own image. Third domain, then after codomain. So I taught you that first I want to speak something about range. So what is a range? Range is the second element of the that ordered pair in a relation. So if you will go in relation, second element of the ordered pair 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whose images is there? So meaning the answer is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And what is a codomain? What is a codomain? I taught you that codomain is none else but whole second set is a codomain. Codomain will be A. Instead of A, what you can write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whole second set is your codomain. The set of the images is a range, and the set of the element, first element of each ordered pair in relation is a domain. So this is simple concept and a question also. I think you have got till now. If you didn't, just watch this twice, thrice. Listen this twice or thrice. You can get it soon. Okay. Now let me move on some more questions. More questions. Question number 8. Question 8 says, example number 8. Example says, in the figure, so figure is given. Okay, I'm making picture directly. P and Q. This is 9, 4, 25. This is a 5, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. And the picture is given to you. This is the picture is given to you. The picture is given to you like that. Try to catch the picture by your own. And okay, this is a picture. You can also see the picture in the book. I think you can better get the picture when you will see in a book by yourself. This is a picture, and question asks here that write some questions answer. First, write the situation in set builder form, and second question in roster form, and third is write the domain, write the codomain, write the range, all the things. So it is nothing hard. what the picture is given to you, front of you, it is a Venn, it is a actually arrow diagram. It is none else, it is what? It is a arrow diagram of the relation, and by this one can simply understand all the answers. First question says, find the set builder form, find the roster form. So I first prefer to find the roster form, which is very easy. So what is the relations roster form? Simple. It's a element of the 9. 9 have a 2 images, 3 and the picture is a bit wrong. 9 and minus 3. Meaning first 9 3, second 9 minus 3. One can go with the next 4 and say 4 and 2, 4 and minus 2, and 25 and 5, 25 and minus 5. This whatever appearing in front of you, this is a simple roster form. You can go to the picture and just simply say that 9 have a image 3, 9 have a image minus 3, 25 image of 5, 25 image of minus 5, and so on, so on, so on. And it is a relation, and which is in roster form. If I ask the set builder form, then set builder form, how we can create a set builder form, you have to learn it. Set builder form always given in ordered pair. So I'll write x comma y such that, what I'm writing x comma y such that. So look at it is x, it is y, it is x, it is y. So what is x? What is the nature of these two elements? What is the nature between these two elements? What is the relation between these two elements? One can simply predict that 9 is a square of 3, 9 is a square of minus 3, 4 is a square of 2, 4 is square of minus 2. First element is a square of the second element. First element is x, second element is a y. So I would write y is equal to x square. Sorry. Yes, it is okay. I would write this is x and this is y. So y square equal to x. That is very simple. Meaning y is what? Second element. 3 square is a 9. Minus 3 square is 9. So y is equal to second element 2 square is first element 4. If y is equal to minus 2 square is 4 again. So this particular x equal to y square, if you're in trouble, you can write x equal to y square. Where x and y both are the element of p and q. So x is the element of p and y is the element of q. This is a set builder form. So this is just it needs a practice. You can watch again. The ordered pair xy, this is a roster form. Definitely in set builder form you have to write like that in ordered pair xy such that. So what is the relation between x and y? So one can simply predict that it is x, it is y. So y square is equal to x. Look at y square equal to x. Look at y square equal to x. Look at y square equal to x. Meaning y square equal to x. And x equal to y square, after that you have to tell about or mention about x belongs to first element p and y belongs to second element q. So that is very simple. Now whatever it is, that is set builder form. And now next, domain, codomain and range are very easy to one and all. Third, domain is what? Domain is nothing hard. Just go in a relation. Don't go here only. You can go in relation and you can find the first elements. First element is 9, 9, 9, double time or twice. You can't write single element. So only 9 once. Then 4, 4 once only. 25, 25 once only. So whatever it is, this is a domain. And definitely range will be second element 3, minus 3, 2, minus 2, 5, minus 5. All second element will be range, and one should not afraid about codomain. Codomain is a completely second set which is Q. Or either also you can write instead of Q is what? All element 5, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. All element you can write here. So this is only the question, only the tough task you can feel to make the set builder form. But you have to make the habit to make this. This is also easy. Just by looking the arrow diagram you can predict this, and the rest domain, range and codomain are all very easy. So this is a question, example number 8. Because that what I want, after doing examples you can go through the exercise directly, and if you understood about the examples language, you can do questions by your own. from the exercise. So this is a plus thing. You know that along with the example also will be completed, and the definitely exercise will be in practice. Okay, so let me take some more questions. Now I'll go in example. So exercise 2.2. So let me take first question for just a practice. What question says? A is equal to, the question is A equal to 1, 2, 3 to 14, and a relation from A to A defined by R equal to xy such that 3x minus y is equal to 0, where xy both belongs in A. Write down the domain, codomain, and range. So very easy question again. Again very easy question. So how you can do this question? Very simple. First it is A, mainly it is given. What relation is given? xy such that 3x minus y is equal to 0, where xy belongs to A. So when you will find it's a roster form, let me explain. Before domain, codomain, range, I request you first find its roster form. When you will find roster form, you can simply predict what is the first element, what is the first element, what is the second element. Okay, so go through this, very easy. X and Y both are the element of A. It is a Venn diagram. It's a arrow diagram, but it is not necessary. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 14. So I would speak that what is X? So X is this element. So put X equal to 1. Put X equal to 1. What is answer? The 3 into 1 equal to Y. So Y will be 3. So when you will put X equal to 1, you have an image 3. And one must know that image of 1 gonna be 3. If you put X equal to 2, because X is the first element and Y is the second element. Okay, when X equal to 2, you will put 2 3s are 6. So image of 2 will be 3 2s are 6. So image of 2 will be 6. So Y will be 6. So now look at here, the 2 have an image 6. What about the next? When you put X equal to 3, 3 3s are 9. So 9 is also here somewhere. Suppose this is 6, 7, 8, 9, so on. So the image of 3 is 9, better. When I will go on a 4, 4 3s are 12, definitely is good. 4, 12 something here. But if I will go on a 5, 5 is here. So 5 3s are 15, but 15 is not here. Look at 15 is not here. So I cannot take 5 because 15 is coming and 15 is not in the second set. And you know that second set is itself A having till 14 element. So 5 and 15 is not possible element. So we have to close myself here. And this is what? This is your roster form. And now I close myself because domain, you can understand, domain will be 1, 2, 3, 4. The codomain will be, range will be 3, 6, 9, 12 in set only. You can't write directly. In a set you have to write. And what is a codomain? One must know that whole second set is a codomain. So A is a codomain. So this is, I think, the first question. I request you, based on these 3 questions, you do try 2.2 exercise from your side. Tomorrow I will raise some question which is a bit tough, a bit important to you, but I request you do till 2 to 9. Okay, thank you.